Oh my gosh, you totally missed it. He just fell over in front of us. You might want to park it if you've been drinking. I'm calling the police.
Got it?
He needs to park it. He's drunk. He needs to just park the thing. He's gonna kill somebody. You need to park it. This is the same guy that wasn't satisfied doing 30 miles an hour. He's at 25. Pull over. I don't know what to do.
Thank you, brother.
You need to park that thing right now or I'm going to call the cops. You've been drinking.
I'm done. I don't know why I was trying to run. I'm sorry. I hear you. Thank you very much.
Park that thing
It's going.
and walk.
Walk.
I'm going to call the cops. I'm only going to be here. I got you on video, the whole thing.
I'm done. I'm done, brother.
I'm going to be back here in about 5 minutes. If that bike's here, I'm turning you in. If it's gone.
Trust me, I'm sorry.
You're too drunk. You're going to kill somebody.
I'm good. Thank you, sir.
You're even going to kill yourself. Don't forget your keys.
God, thank you, sir. Appreciate that. I don't know what happened here, but I'm good to go.
Call yourself. I can smell you from here.